Today at Mountain Rose, we're making a 4 Thieves household cleaner. All you need is a spray bottle, distilled water, rubbing alcohol, Castile soap, your essential oils, a funnel, and a measuring cup. First, let's add our essential oils and our alcohol to the bottle. So we have our ½ cup of rubbing alcohol, 20 drops of clove bud, 14 drops of lemon essential oil, 10 drops of cinnamon bark, 7 drops of eucalyptus, and finally 5 drops of rosemary. Then you're going to want to place your cap on and shake well. We're going to remove the cap and add our remaining ingredients. It'll be 1 tablespoon Castile soap, perfect, and then we're going to top it off with distilled water. Let's cap our bottle again and shake it. All right, our cleaner is ready to go. Make sure you label your bottle.